One of the things that I've found fishing tight banks and fishing grasshoppers or Chernobyl ants, or any terrestrial for that matter, is you want to keep your flies in the water as much as possible. And recasting is something that you often have to do as things get drifted out. But here's a little tip so that you can leave your flies in the water and not have to pull them out. Pull off some line, jerk back, and throw your line to the bank. And what happens there is the line actually goes past the fly and allows the fly to swing into the bank, so you don't actually have to pull the fly out of the water in choice water where those fish may be.
I try to teach it as much as I can to get people to understand that a mend is like jump roping. Imagine a jump rope, and we all jump roped. So when you mend, you're jump roping, so jump the rope upstream. Now, when you want it to stay in that fishy zone once the cast is there, rather than just trying to mend the first 4 or 5 feet out of the end of the rod, mend that line towards the bug. Push the line towards the bug. Then it keeps it in that key zone. Mend the other way, yep, perfect. Come on, right there. That's the bottom end of the trand. Oh, nice stick, man, holy cow. That's outstanding.
Wow, what a fish. Just the tiniest of little sips, huh?
I mean, to remove that much line off of the water like you did.
Good fish.
Oh, that was excellent.
Barbless hook.
It's okay.
That's all right, we got the best part of it.
Yep. You can see, yep, right on the confluence. Very good, right there. Let her marinate, there he is. Well done.
Good fish. You were saying you wanted to switch?
I did, but I don't anymore. Just to see if they weren't eating dries.
Nice cut.
Finally get a cutthroat to eat a big dry.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Well done, buddy.
Good job. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Here's a trick. Instead of having to bend over to wet your hands.
Oh, very good. See, I learned something today.
There you go, right?
I told you.
Good, 17-inch cutthroat,
Nice
8 a
fish.
dry. Absolutely perfect.
Well done, buddy.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.